You're at the beach, ready for a relaxing day, listening to your music, chatting to friends on social media. And then it happens. You run out of juice. But now, that doesn't have to ruin your day. Introducing the LUZPAC, a solar-powered charger and stylish bag. You no longer need to be near an electrical outlet. Just use the power of the sun to recharge your devices.
Hi, I'm Chris Hanser. During my year in Spain, I got inspired by the sun. I created my first LUZPAC, a versatile pool, beach, rooftop, outdoor bag that recharges all your devices by using solar. Solar is not only for geeks, it is our future lifestyle. So I was passionate to design a bag that combines the style with our future.
The solar charger is light and can easily be detached. On the back of the charger are pockets to keep your devices safe. It connects to both Apple and Android devices. The LUZPAC is an ideal accessory for music festivals, camping, picnics. And it's compatible with all your devices. The LUZPAC comes in 5 exciting designs.
I'm hoping that together we can bring this vision to the world and asking you to help and give us your support.